Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or big welcome if this is your first time here. My name is Kim, this is Cleaning with Kim. If you are in need of some cleaning motivation today, you are definitely in the right spot. We've got some pretty big messes to clean up. We're even trying out a new to me product. So go ahead and grab your favorite drink, your favorite snack, and let's get started.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs.
Alright, I'm going to go ahead and give y'all a complete overview of everything that we're working on today. If this is your first time here, like I said, my name is Kim. I am a stay-at-home mom. I have 3 little ones. Emma is 12, Ella is 3, and Mason is almost 1 year old. He'll be 1 in about 2 weeks. Absolutely insane to me. I know I keep saying that, but I can't believe it every time it comes out of my mouth. This has been the fastest year of my life, and I just can't believe it's October. Does anyone else feel that way, that this year has just flown by and like we're gonna blink and the holidays are gonna be here? But my channel here revolves around just real raw cleaning motivation. Every time you come here, you can expect to see real life, a lived-in home with kids. But even if you don't have kids, life still happens. Our houses look different, our lives look different, and this just so happens to be what my house looks like. It's a little toned down in today's video, I will say that, and I'm sure some of you can vouch for that if you've been here for a little while. And I mean, that's just life though, right? Like day to day, it's gonna look different. So whenever I can get some stuff done, I pick up my phone and I film it in hopes that it will bring you tons of motivation, inspiration, and encouragement the real and raw way. And so if that sounds like your jam, go ahead and hit that subscribe and the bell. It's completely free. It's just going to let you know every time that I upload a video.
Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, the sky is falling down.
Okay, I might have spoken too soon on the toned down mess because I kind of forgot that my kitchen is a disaster, especially the trash can. But we're getting it done, and that's all that matters.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low.
All right, we're about to put the chairs up because we have a special guest joining us today. So do you guys remember about 2 weeks ago maybe in one of my videos, I was inquiring with y'all about a robot vacuum and kind of wanted to get the 411 on how good are they? Well, a company saw that video and reached out to me, and the name of their company is Yeedi Vac, and they wanted to send me a robot vacuum in exchange for a review on my YouTube channel. And I told them that sure, absolutely. As long as I'm able to give my true thoughts on this with no strings attached, then I would love to. I just want y'all to know I will never ever be able to be paid off for a review. That's something you don't have to worry about around here. Only something that I would buy with my money am I going to show you, and something that I think that might be worth it for you in your home, and ultimately that is up for you to decide. So I just kind of wanted to lay that out there to begin with, because the last thing I want to do is betray your trust. But this company, Yeedi Vac, did send me this robot vacuum, and I'm going to go ahead and tell you my thoughts, but I've only had it for about 2 weeks, and I've used it 3 times total. And that mainly is because if you have one of these, I'm sure you know that anytime that you use this, you need to make sure everything is picked up off of the floor, wires, chairs, anything like that, because it maps out your house. And so this is just some shots for it in action. With the 3 times I've used it, it hasn't been able to map out my bottom floor yet. I'm not sure if that's because I don't have much of a big open floor plan, but it's having a little bit of more trouble. That could be the cause. That's just kind of what I'm thinking. But when this thing gets going, it goes. As you can see, it sucks up great. And one of my main concerns when I was thinking about purchasing one of these was that a lot of my messes are food, just because of my toddler and baby. They throw food on the floor, and I didn't know if that was going to mess up the vacuum. but it has not had any trouble sucking up food. And like I said, this thing sucks. Like, it has got some power behind it, and it's pretty good at getting unstuck. Sometimes it'll alert me and say there's an obstacle on the way. Sometimes that obstacle's a wall. So you just kind of have to help it out. But for the most part, it's a great price point. So if you are in the market for this, I am going to have all 3 links down below. I think I've got a link for Amazon, Walmart, and straight for them from the company Yeedi Vac, if you want to go ahead and check them out.
I got this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me. And he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time. And my heart's beating fast when he's looking like that. Oh, his smile is killing me. It's the way that he moves and the way that he laughs, so I can't get enough. Thinking about him all the time. I can't get him off my mind. Oh, I want him to be mine, to be mine. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. All the way that I feel, yeah, I know that it's real, 'cause I can get him out of my head. I don't care what we do, everything's feeling new. Even if we stay in bed, my heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want.
I cannot help but to sit here and laugh at my hair right now because, you guys, I was so excited when I saw the big clips were back in style, and like the big jumbo clips. I was so excited. I went and got myself some, and I realized that I must have had much shorter hair in the early 2000s, because these big clips do not work with super long hair. My hair is all the way down to like my waist. And yeah, I'm just so disappointed that I can't wear clips like I used to. If you know how in the world I could still use these with super long hair, definitely let me know, please, because this is just too funny looking at my hair right now.
I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want.
Okay, so I'm sure, as some of you have noticed, that this video is a little bit shorter, maybe a lot bit shorter than my previous videos, and that is because my filming phone that I have filmed on for the past 2 years, my old iPhone, is gone. May it rest in peace. It's been a great little filming phone. That's all I used it for, was YouTube. It got me started on YouTube, and it got me this far, but Mason knocked over the tripod. It was kind of already on its way down, and Mason knocked over the tripod about 2 or 3 weeks ago, and really damaged it. The screen was like super jumpy, and it was like just a janky phone, but it was still working. I was still able to film and edit on it, so I kept the faith, and then it just went kaput at this point. The camera is completely black, like on the screen. You cannot see anything. So I am now filming with my personal cell phone, and it is an iPhone. iPhone. And as we all know, iPhone has their notorious wonderful storage options. It's not. So I'm only able to make shorter videos and just make the video, try to upload it, and then delete it and then go on to the next one. So with these shorter videos going out, I am going to be uploading twice a week. I'm not going to promise you any days, but just know there will be 2 videos out a week now. And make sure that bell is turned on. That way you'll get notified when it goes out. And of course, I'll keep you updated on the community tab page. So that way you're not going to be getting one super long video like we have been doing, but you'll be getting 2 shorter videos, about 15-20 minute videos. So yeah, I'm going to try to make them at least 20 minutes, and we will keep going, and eventually I will have a beautiful new Canon camera, eventually, as soon as I get an extra $700. So I'll keep y'all updated on that too.
Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. Try to express yourself in your own way, and we could have some fun. No problems coming in our way. I would like you just the way you are, and you would like me just the way I am, and I would like you just the way you are, the way you are. Oh, keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like to, what you like to do. Doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like to, what you like to do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like to, what you like to do. I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat a bit. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me.
Okay, make sure y'all get a good look at the sink how it is right now, because I'm quickly drying it out, and then we are going to be trying this, the pink stuff with a scrub mommy. So last week I was asking you guys, what is some good cleaner or good polishing stuff, something like that I can just get my sink looking new again. And I got lots of really good options. I have a list of them on my phone, and I figured we'll just try them all out. So first I tried the pink stuff, just because honestly this stuff has intrigued me for probably a couple years now. And next, I'm really interested in the Scrub Daddy paste. So it's like the pink stuff, but made by Scrub Daddy. And I think it would be awesome to maybe do one side of my sink with the Scrub Daddy and one side with the pink stuff. I don't know. We'll see. We're probably going to have some fun with this just to see what the best affordable cleaner would be to polish your sink. I think I'm doing this right. I'm not really sure. They didn't have a lot of instructions on there. My girl Ashley, you're going to have to help me out down in the comments and let me know. Did I not put it on thick enough? Did I do it right? Definitely let me know. I could see a difference in the end, and y'all will be able to see that too. I felt like it looks so much shinier and so much cleaner. I was doing this one-handed. I had Mason in one hand, so mom life. Maybe if I put a little more elbow grease in it, it could have been a little bit better. But for the little bit of elbow grease that I did put in here, I thought it looked amazing. It looked so dull and dingy before, and it just looks so shiny and new after. And so I really like it. I would rate this stuff, just for my one time using it, a 9 out of 10.
Oh no, anxiety creeps up on me. Is this how it's supposed to feel? Tell me when it's over. I got someplace that I gotta be. It won't leave. My friends say, get out of your comfort zone. It's a blessing in disguise. Get out of what you call home. Your name is written in the sky. It might feel just like you're on your own, but baby, it's another lie. Remember, you were made. I try to work, but it doesn't work. I try to say something, but there's no word. I try to justify my actions, less reactions, heartbeat raising. Oh, it doesn't work. Wait a second, I don't need you. then why so settled? I withdrew. Still it feels just like I'm waiting for something better. Wait a second, I wanna stay up late with my heart in your head. Maybe stare too much cause you don't understand. You got me gone. You don't understand. You got me gone. But sometimes I might be a bit selfish when you're way too humble. Might be overzealous, getting you in trouble. Cause I'm a little bit.
And that's going to be it for today's video, y'all. I know it was a shorty, but a goodie. I hope you got tons of motivation, inspiration, and encouragement from today's video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up and drop me a comment so we can talk and hang out. And I will see y'all in the next one. Have a blessed day.